blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing.
Where, Brixie, what do we got going on here, buddy?
Well, we've been on a mission all day to see what we can come up with for tomorrow morning. And I first noticed this field probably a month ago. And there were about 100 birds in it a month ago. Came back the next night to scout it. We were gonna hunt it then, but came back, no birds. So now we've just been letting it slowly rebuild. There's probably 100, 110, 115 in there right now. And by the looks of it, there's more to come tonight. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna watch this field. We know the landowner, so hopefully it gets good. We'll see what happens. Hey boys. We're out here, it's deer opener. Sight! We got a problem. Problem number one. That's our problem right there. There's 12 geese we're gonna hunt tomorrow. Problem number two, you look across the road, there's about 200 geese. So, we're in a little bit of a predicky, but you know, that loaf right there just had like 160 on it. So, I don't know what the hell is gonna happen in the morning.
What happened with the landowner? What did he say?
Oh, hey. Yeah, we pulled up to Buddy Guy's house. Knock on the door a couple times, couple good knocks, you know, get him going. Try to talk him into letting the boys rip. No go. It's already spoken for. This is his exact words. So, screw that field. We're coming hard at the loaf. I don't care. It's a mile apart, if that, 3/4 mile. But there's a lot of different birds coming from a lot of different areas, and there's usually like at least 60 geese feeding in this field. There has been. So, yeah.
Well, what do you say, Brooks?
Yeah. Dial down. Now I'm going to be banging. Hey, kill him up over top.
Kill him! Kill him! Yay, boys!
You! Holy, can you go grab those quick?
They
Boys,
dirty,
solo up front,
dirty,
solo
bro.
up front.
That's fine.
They come over. Try them? No. They're good, they're turning.
You better take these. If he comes around, you gotta kill him.
We gotta switch our
Yeah, we
phones.
have to.
This is literally all they did all night.
Kill the one.
Kill him.
That was a hard hitter. What?
Buddy wanted it.
We good?
Yep. Alright, well,
What's going on, Brexy?
it's working out. We're kind of set up on the loaf right now. All the birds went back to the feed this morning. So we set up on the loaf and they're just starting to come back now. We've had a few groups kind of do it earlier, but by the looks of it, if we get some bigger groups in, we'll be able to rain them out. So hopefully it works. He comes over.
Doing it dirty. I was like, he's just hanging there. Shoot him.
Oh yes. Oh my god.
No, 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 no! Oh my god, what are you doing?
Come on.
Isn't there two back on?
Just wait.
Those-